look at this gem. I'm pretty sure I filmed this lift once before, many, many years ago. I very much doubt that the call station is original. That was probably, I reckon the buttons might have been redone in possibly the 60s or the 70s. My coat out of the way. Otis. And it's also got a sort of 1960s, 70s style floor indicator, which I'm guessing isn't original either. Runs pretty okay. Obviously it's got an automated gate. Private. Yeah, it's locked. Got a lock there. Down we go. Oh look, it does light up. Well, the down arrow does. I would wonder if any of the numbers do. I haven't actually looked. Oh, 3 lights up. 2. I hadn't really been paying attention to the indicator. Okay, 1 doesn't, I would say. So only the 2 and the 3 light up. I would say this is probably a classic lift. I reckon the buttons have probably been updated sometime in the 60s. The mechanism that automatically shuts the door has been replaced, obviously. And obviously that's probably not the original door handle either. When was this place built? Does it say? 1930s. So it's a 1930s lift, but had a bit of a mod.